Okay, this is one of the females. She's got a slightly wispier coat. This one's got a straighter coat. They've both got white. Oh God, the floor's so filthy. It's been so muddy here. Here you go. Come here. Oh, there's dark behind. Hang on. Here we go. Okay. Hello, puppy. All right. So see, they're very similar. This one's got. They've both got little white chin, white under their head there. They're really nice puppies. They're both very sensible. Cute little puppies. Yeah, I think, whoops, if you get back a little bit, they've both got white tips on their tails. What are the differences? I don't know. This one's perhaps a little wispier in the coat. And this one, I think that's about the difference. This one's sort of got a thicker, wavier coat. And slightly frizzier, what I'm trying to say. There we go. Nice puppies. I don't know how you would decide between these. I really don't. Come here, you. Come here. Come on. Here, look. Sit beside each other. Hello. There we go. Oh, look at you sitting beautifully. Maybe that's the way to choose. Look at that beautiful sit. You sit too. That's it. Look at you. Yeah, they're lovely puppies.